Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have your iCloud email and Apple ID password, and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Once done, open Gmail settings on web or mobile and select Add Account. Make sure you choose Other or iCloud if listed. Gmail needs an app-specific password from Apple for secure access. Go to Icloud. Apple.com to generate that app password now, because Gmail won't accept your regular Apple password with 2FA enabled. Now configure the account details. In Gmail's Add Account flow, choose Manual Setup, then a map. Enter a map. Mail, me, com with port 993 and SSL. For outgoing, use SMTP. Mail, me, com port 587 with TLS and authentication turned on. Use your full iCloud email as the username and paste the Apple-generated app-specific password into both incoming and outgoing password fields. Once entered, Gmail will test the settings. Wait for verification and accept any permission prompts so Gmail can fetch your iCloud mail. Finish by adjusting sync settings, choosing which labels or folders to fetch and how often Gmail checks iCloud. Make sure to save the account and verify messages sync. If mail fails to appear, recreate the app-specific password on Apple.com and re-enter it. This resolves most auth errors. Also confirm Apple's iCloud Mail IMAP is online via system status and that you used IMAP, not POP. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account to clear configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.